Earn more than $500 daily with Upwork website and Google Translate tool. Come the Upwork site and click on the writing and translation option. Such a page will open for you. Click on the freelancer option. In the opened page, click on search at the top of the site. Click on talent and put it on jobs to show the jobs that people want from you. Write translation here in the search field. Well, for example, this person asked us to translate a text from English to Spanish. And here it is written that he will give you $150 for this work. Well, we click on this. Here we can see that the level of difficulty is intermediate and the text is very easy. There are many things like this. Well, to do this, we have to register in this site. We enter our email here and click on registration. You can also use the option of creating an account with Google. Well, you have to enter your information here. I am using Google account creation here. We must wait a little for going to profile making. After going through these steps, you should create your own profile, which includes a series of personal questions. You complete these steps and return to the task page. To apply for this job, you have to click on the Apply Now section, which does not allow me to do this because I have not completed my profile. You click this and accept the job. After this, you will be given the text to use Google Translate to change it to the language requested by the person and send it to him and receive your money. So easily. Just subscribe to our channel and like this video before you go. It is similar to these videos in the channel, you can take a look. Be sure to comment that you want to earn a few dollars per day from this site. I hope you are lucky.